So some of the digital ag platforms that we're working with, obviously Crop Matrix is our main platform we're working with, which is a program that our locations use as a farm management program with their customers. They can build a farm plan, go through basically their farm management. I see real value in it just for managing your farm from year to year and keeping track over the years of what you've planted, what you've sprayed. There's a grain management option on there too, so it's just a total farm management program for growers. We also use Climate Field View, which goes into our planter and our tractor and air drill and our combine, which I think I'm kind of unique. I use that on farm as a farm record keeping. I can track my varieties, where they go. I use it for scouting. We can use it for tours. It's just a real simple program to use for tracking varieties on farm. We have also added Farmer's Edge this year, which is a very similar program, I think, in a way to Crop Matrix, where it's a farm management program. You can track your equipment costs, and at the end of the year, you can basically see your financials at the end of the year. It has satellite imagery tied with it. We can do variable rate through it. We can do zone spray with Farmer's Edge. They've also added in moisture probes to predict yield. So there's a lot of technology in all these platforms to use and learn from. New Holland is our main equipment supplier on farm. So with our T9, our four-wheel drive tractor, this year something different was to look at large tires instead of tracks. So actually the tractor has, we call them 1250 singles. So they're 1.25 meters wide, so they're over 3.5 feet wide as these tires. So they're big singles, and it's just to deal with compaction on the farm and just to look at something different. The tractor also has a CVT transmission, so it's like a hydrostatic transmission in a way. So it works really well for planting and running the grain cart and just smooth operation. So that was something different in the tractor. The combine this year had IntelliSense on it, which is a new technology that actually monitors the combine inside with cameras. So the camera's monitoring the grain quality coming through the machine and will adjust on the go to provide the best quality of the grain and to make obviously the combine more productive. So that's been a pretty neat technology as well in the combine, is just to be more efficient. And this year, with the short harvest, every hour you could gain in a day made a big difference. So being more efficient with your combine was really important. Other technology is Brandt is our grain cart supplier, and we added a can scale through Farmer's Edge to our grain cart just to help track commodities and weights coming into the yard. So that was something we added. The equipment technology is probably one of the neatest things on farm to keep up with, and how that technology is changing.